Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Chrome is current and you're signed into the profile whose password manager you'll remove. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Autofill or type Chrome//settings/autofill to jump straight there. Make sure you have any important passwords exported or noted because you'll disable or remove stored data soon. Now that you're in Autofill, look for the Passwords section. That's where Chrome's built-in manager lives and where you'll begin the removal steps. You'll now disable Chrome's saving behavior and clear stored credentials. First, toggle off Offer to save passwords and auto sign-in so Chrome stops capturing new entries. Next, scroll Saved Passwords and remove individual accounts with the X or three-dot menu. For many entries, choose Export Passwords to a CSV before deleting. Store that file securely. If you use a separate password manager, make sure it's active and synced so you aren't locked out after removal. Finish by ensuring deleted passwords aren't retained in your Google account. Go to Data and Privacy and check Password Manager or deleted items. Sign out and restart Chrome to verify the built-in manager is inactive and no passwords autofill. If something goes wrong, re-enable the manager just long enough to export passwords, then remove them properly. Also confirm Chrome sync settings aren't restoring data. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves unexpected
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.